Welcome to the GCO Podcast, where we dive deep into the world of construction, bringing you insights and knowledge to strengthen your expertise. I'm Ava.
And I'm Andrew. Today's episode is all about a fundamental component in concrete construction, aggregates. We'll be discussing the different types of concrete aggregates and why understanding them is crucial for professionals like you.
That's right, Andrew. The title of today's episode is Types of Concrete Aggregates, a topic every civil engineer and concrete inspector needs to master. But before we get started, here's something to ponder on as we move through the episode. Why is understanding different types of aggregates important for concrete inspectors?
To kick things off, let's define what we mean by concrete aggregates. In simple terms, concrete aggregate is a granular material, like sand, gravel, or crushed stone, used in the production of concrete. It makes up a substantial portion of the concrete mix, around 60 to 80%. In fact, this makes aggregates a significant factor in the quality and characteristics of the final concrete product.
Exactly, Andrew. And that leads us to our first key point, the types of concrete aggregates. Broadly speaking, we can categorize them into three types: natural, processed, and recycled aggregates. Each type has unique properties that impact the concrete's performance in different ways.
Let's start with natural aggregates. These are materials sourced from natural environments, such as rivers and quarries. Common examples include sand, gravel, and river stones. They're typically smooth in texture but can vary greatly in size and shape, which can affect the concrete's overall workability and finish.
On the other hand, processed aggregates are manufactured by crushing and processing larger rocks. This category includes crushed stone and manufactured sand. These aggregates generally have a rougher texture and more uniform size, which can improve the bonding in the concrete mix, enhancing its strength.
Then we have recycled aggregates, which are gaining popularity due to their eco-friendly nature. These are derived from the processing of previously used concrete. Although they may be less durable than natural or processed aggregates, they offer a sustainable and cost-effective option for reducing construction waste.
Now, let's talk about the characteristics that these aggregates bring to the table. For instance, natural aggregates, with their smooth textures, can affect the workability and aesthetic quality of the concrete. Processed aggregates, because of their rougher texture, tend to provide better bonding, which can be crucial in high-strength applications.
And when it comes to recycled aggregates, while they might not always match the durability of their counterparts, their contribution to sustainability cannot be overlooked. They're an excellent choice for projects where environmental impact is a key consideration. And when it comes to recycled aggregates, while they might not always match the durability of their counterparts, their contribution to sustainability cannot be overlooked. They're an excellent choice for projects where environmental impact is a key consideration.
Selecting the right type of aggregate isn't just about availability. It involves understanding the specific requirements of your project. You'll need to consider factors like strength requirements, workability, durability, and even aesthetics, especially if you're dealing with exposed aggregate finishes.
The importance of aggregates in concrete construction cannot be overstated. They influence everything from structural integrity and load-bearing capacity to workability, shrinkage, and thermal expansion of the concrete mix. For concrete inspectors and civil engineers, a deep understanding of aggregates ensures that the concrete structures you work on are durable, strong, and visually appealing.
So, as we wrap up, let's revisit the question we posed earlier. Why is understanding different types of aggregates important for concrete inspectors? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please share your knowledge and experiences in the comments section.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of the GCO Podcast. We hope you found this discussion on concrete aggregates insightful. For more content like this, be sure to visit gcoportal.com, where you can read this episode's insights and explore a wealth of related information.
And don't forget to follow the GCO Podcast for more insightful discussions. Also, make sure to follow GCO Official on social media to stay updated on the latest in the construction industry.
Until next time, keep building strong.